Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix auto open app in your computer. So first you need to go to start menu, go to setting, in the left side menu go to apps, then after go to startup, last option. So you will be able to find lot of apps in here that are related with auto open while the startup. So you can turn off the toggle from here. As an example, you don't need to on the Microsoft Edge, you can just turn it off like this. Then once it is completed, you can close this one. And also you can disable the apps using Task Manager also. Right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, go to Startup tab here. So you can see these are the applications related with startup, and you in the status section you can see which applications are enabled right now. So in this case you can see Microsoft 365, it is enabled. You can just tap on it and tap on disable, then it will be disabled from it. Once it is completed, you can close this one. Then after go to start menu, search bar, go to tap on search for run, tap on it. In this here you need to type shell .startup like this, then after hit enter. This will open startup folder of your user account. If you see any apps in here, you can delete the apps shortcut from here, then it will be it will not again open from the startup. So then after close this one, and you can scan for malware for unwanted programs. Go to search bar, start menu, go to setting. In the left side menu, go to privacy and security, go to Windows security in the right side menu, and tap on virus and threat protection. And under the current threats, just tap on quick scan. It will be scan all the system, and if it is see some kind of malware or unwanted malicious software, it will be remove it. So once you are done with all these settings, you have to restart your PC. And remember, some of the application also have inbuilt setting to once it is launched, once it is installed, it will be automatically turned on while your computer is turned on. So you have to manually check all the applications that are related with auto open. Go to setting of that application and check if there is option to start with Windows startup kind of option. Make sure to untick that one. Then after, you will be able to fix the auto open app in your computer. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.